Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 4 toggles that are kind of new on Dress to Impress that you might not know. So if you select this hat, I'm just going to color it black here. You can actually toggle it so it's a backwards hat, as you can see. So that's the first one. The second one is this skirt right here. And there's 2 toggles that you can enable the waistband here. Here, I'll show it to you like this. So there's a waistband option that you can toggle. Super cute. And then there's this sweater that you can toggle. There's a lot of toggles. Let me just again remove the shirt. Default, relaxed, oversized, and classic. So this one was the what it looked like before, but they have now more toggles. And lastly, we have this belt right here with a lot of toggles actually. I'll try to find something so you guys can see it. Okay, maybe I'll put on some jeans. So if you put on this belt, you can toggle it to have chains. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.